In this video, you'll learn how to view analytics on your Stan Store dashboard. By following these steps, you will gain valuable insights into your store's performance and sales metrics. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the login section, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, you will be directed to your Stan Store dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage your store's settings and view important data. To access your AnaLeft, locate the sidebar on the left side of the dashboard. Next, click on the option labeled Analytics in the sidebar. This action will take you to a dedicated analytics page. Depending on your internet speed, this transition may take a few moments as the data loads. Once the analytics page appears, you will see a comprehensive overview of your store's performance. This includes total sales figures displayed prominently at the top. You can use this information to assess how well your products are selling. Below the sales figures, you will notice revenue trends over time. This graph or chart allows you to identify patterns in your sales, helping you make informed decisions about marketing. Additionally, you will find a section showcasing your top-selling products or services, which can guide your future offerings. Finally, the analytics page provides valuable customer insights. Understanding your audience's behavior can help tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Take your time to explore each section, as this will help you maximize your store's potential. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.